Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to set up game loop emulator settings for Pubg. Well, to optimize Pubg Mobile on game loop emulator, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the latest version of game loop installed on your computer. So go to the official website of game loop, then download it from the official website and follow the installation instructions. Open game loop and navigate to the settings menu. Set the emulator engine to OpenGL for better performance. Adjust the resolution to match your computer's capabilities. A balance between performance and visual quality is key. In the settings, allocate an adequate amount of RAM and CPU cores to game loop. This ensures smoother gameplay. A recommended settings is 4 GB of RAM and at least 2 CPU cores. In your computer's BIOS settings, enable virtualization technology. This significantly improves emulator performance. Inside Pubg Mobile, go to Settings and select the Smooth Graphics Quality with a frame rate of 60 FPS. This provides a good balance between smooth gameplay and visuals. Customize key mapping for a better gaming experience. Map controls to your preferences for easier navigation and quick response. And that's how to set up game loop emulator for Pubg. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.